Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the right tools and controlling conditions. Heat is the key. Use a hair dryer or heat gun on low. Aim for 20 to 30 seconds to soften the adhesive so the sticker releases without paint damage. Once done, pry a corner gently with a plastic card or fingernail. Lift just enough to slip fishing line or a dental floss thread behind the sticker. Make sure to keep the surface warm and move to the next step immediately. You now focus on controlled peeling and cleaning the adhesive. Pull the sticker slowly, at a shallow angle, while reheating the area every few inches to keep the glue pliable. This prevents tearing and paint stress. When residue persists, apply an adhesive remover or 70–90% isopropyl alcohol and let it dwell for 1 to 2 minutes so the solvent breaks bonds. Then, use a microfiber cloth and plastic scraper to wipe and lift residue. You finish by thoroughly cleaning and protecting the area. Wash with soapy water, rinse and dry, then apply wax or paint-safe sealant to restore UV protection. If a stubborn patch resists, repeat the heat and solvent cycle carefully or switch to a commercial, paint-safe adhesive remover. Avoid aggressive scraping. If at any point the paint starts to lift, stop immediately, treat that as a damage control situation, and consult a professional. Make sure to document any paint issues for repair guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.